Shanghai-style fried noodles. Prep time 5 minutes. Cook time 10 minutes. Yield 15 minutes. Description: forget takeout. Authentic and flavorful Shanghai-style fried noodles can easily be made in your own home. Try this classic Chinese comfort food tonight. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 0.2 kilograms brown mushrooms, quartered, 400 grams or 16 ounces. Shanghai soft noodles similar to Japanese udon noodles. 5 bunches of baby bok choy. 4 tablespoons soy sauce for a darker, more traditional color. Replace 2 tablespoons with dark soy sauce. 1/4 teaspoon sugar. 1/4 teaspoon chicken stock powder. Instructions: heat oil in a wok over medium-high. Add mushrooms and sauté for about 2 to 3 minutes until translucent. Break up the noodles with your hand and add to the wok. Add the soy sauce, sugar and chicken stock powder and continue frying until the sauce and seasoning is fully dispersed. Add another tablespoon of dark soy sauce if you like the dish darker. Add bok choy and continue to fry until wilted. Serve while hot.